Gut, dran. Was? Predator? Geil. Ein Vieri. Oh. Aber hey, hör ich drauf auf unsere helle Schiesse, ihr Arschlöcher. Ha! Ganz geil. Oh, jetzt müssen wir noch ein bisschen... Ha!
We have multiple Russian warships near our ports. We sent the SEALs to assault the command vessel. Proceed to New York Harbor to assist. Copy your last. Metal 01, be advised, we're seeing multiple enemy rotor wings in your airspace.
Oh, jetzt kommen noch andere. Sind ihr? Wo denn? Wo denn? Oh, da. What the f... Oh, zwei. Warte doch, ey. Oh, shit. Fuck, 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 fuck. Er ist weg. Zwei. Komm, komm, komm. Du auch noch grad. Ja, haha. Zu geil. Zu geil.
Keep scanning your sectors. I think we lost them.
Oh. Ja, 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 ja. Kann er ja. Oh, komm jetzt, ganz kaputt. Sehr schön. Explosion. Nein. Fuck. So, komm jetzt, Pilot, ey. Na, holst du noch? Sehr schön, Pilot. Du bist der Geilste. Du bist der Geilste. Geiler Pilot. Ja, das war das erste Level, so wie es aussieht. Und dann ist weg.
Lightning 3-1, you are cleared to engage.
Bring in the hard deck, DOT 5 seconds. Weapons away.
Sehr schön, Bombe das Scheiß weg.
Sir, appears all sites have been neutralized.
Good work, Sandman. We've regained air dominance over Manhattan and pushed the front line back to the river.
What's our next target?
The Russian command vessel is an Oscar II submarine carrying enough cruise missiles to level the eastern seaboard. We need to strike fast before they can launch a counterattack.
Roger, what's the mission?
Infiltrate the vessel, take over the bridge, then turn their weapons against their own fleet. I need you to link up with the SEALs and get it done. Good luck.
Get up, boys. Where's our infill point? Brooklyn Battery Tunnel. I thought it collapsed. It did.
Ja, super.
In position.
Können wir ins U-Boot.
This is Metal 01. Radio check in the blind, over. Roger 01, we have you 5x5. Phase line echo secure. We have execute authority. We're 1 minute out. Copy that. Just don't start the party without us. Almost through.
U-Boot in rumballern. Das ist doch mal geil. Ha.
Primary entry
Geil.
is open. Stay tight. Easy to get separated down here.
Oh, ich hätte so ein Ding. Oh, ich habe so ein Ding. Ui. Sauberes Wasser da unten. So, jetzt.
Think anyone got out? Nothing we can do for them now.
Whoa.
Maintain 295 degrees. 300 meters to link up. Metal 01, got you on the tracker. Roger, approaching rendezvous. SEAL team should be up ahead. I see them.
Da oben sind
On the move. Intercept window is closing fast. Roger that. Lead the way. Watch your sonar. Russians are laying mines.
blöd.
Eyes on your sonar. Mine. Keep it steady. Right.
Scheiß Minen, ey.
Got another mine. Clear. Power down. Here we go. Target approaching. Oscar 2, 8 o'clock.
Fuck. Ganz krass. Wow. Ganz geil.
Wait until she passes.
Das Teil ist ja riesig.
Okay, go.
Go, 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 go.
Get in position. Planting. Planting. Frost, plant the mine on the sub.
Bin drauf, bin drauf. Pflanzt der Scheiß her, Mann. Geil.
Mine's armed. Clear out. Good job. We'll prep the exfil. Going explosive. Hit it. Overlord, this is Metal 01. Sub is surfacing. Commencing assault.
Roger 01, continue to primary objective. We need control of the sub's missiles.
Position.
Das ist Schrott.
Hatch opening. Contact coming out of the hatch.
Ha.
Frag out. Clear. Head down.
Ha. Muss ich da hindern? Salut. Hup.
Deck secured. Head down. All right, Frost. Sweeping clear. All unknowns are hostile. Rendezvous downstairs.
Also doch. Ha. Ja, und ja. Geil.
Take left.
Oder? Oh, verdammte ey. Nein. Ja, nein.
Stairs clear. Take left.
Gut, gerade nochmal. Sterben. Da schießt schon. Nein, nein, hey. Da kommt doch ein bisschen heilen. Wo ist eigentlich mein Teamkollege? Er wartet wieder bis... Das sind schon feige Sicher, hey. So, da. Was hast du davon? Und jetzt kommt er. Das glaubst du einfach nicht, ey. Oh, 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 oh. Fuck, fuck, fuck. Muss ich eigentlich durch, Mann? Nicht ganz viel Wege da. Oh, Hilfe. Komm, wir müssen noch einen dreckigen scheiß Laser, ey. Was ist eigentlich los? Wow, 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 wow. Oh fuck. Kann ich einfach eine Spielzeugpistole haben?
We have to get to the bridge.
Fuck, fuck, fuck. Und wo ist... Wo bin... Ei, 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 ei.
Position at the door. Okay, put a kicker charge on the door.
Aha, also los. Wow, riesen Bombe. Damn. Shit.
Area is secure.
Tipptopp. Ganz geil.
Alright, I got the launch keys. Overlord, this is Metal 01. I send checkpoint Neptune, over.
Roger 01. Copy Neptune.
I have the missile key, and I'm accessing the launch codes now.
Grid coordinates follow. Tango, Whiskey 056628.
Coordinates confirmed. Firing on Russian fleet in 30 seconds. Frost, get on the console.
Welche Konsole? Ah, da.
3, 2, 1, turn. Overlord, missiles armed and launching.
Roger. SEAL team is in position for exfil.
Fuck, fuck, what?
Truck, let's roll. Amen to that.
Whoopa.
Frost, punch it.
Shit, shit.
Launching.
Geil. Das macht doch Spaß, ey. Wie Pearl Harbor, ey.
Zodiac.
Oh, shit.
Got it.
Fuck, fuck, fuck.
Missiles coming in.
Oh, shit.
Keep on going, Frost.
Hey, das ist ja geil. Geil. Da verdammter Flugzeugträger am Sinken, ey. Oh, shit.
The mines.
Fuck, 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 fuck. Nein. Oh. Damn. Okay. Ja, hätte ich es dann kann noch. Hey, hör nicht auf die Züge rühren. Ey, oh. Oh shit. Wey! Los. Was ist das? Oh, das ist einer von uns. Ah, ist das geil. So macht's doch Spaß, ey.
Roger, Metal 01. Missile strikes confirmed on multiple Russian hard targets in your AO. All primary threats neutralized. Good work, team. That's one for the books.
Easy day, Overlord. Sandman out.
So macht's doch Spaß, ey. Das ist doch geil. So, nächste Mission. Und er stockt wieder, wieso auch immer. Aber egal, es läuft.
There were still Russians who rejected Makarov's lunacy. Men willing to stand against the tide.
Price, we've got vital signs, but they're weak. Soap won't last without proper attention.
He's a hard bastard. Trust me, he'll make it.
We're picking up inbound signatures.
We've got company.
It's Makarov. He's tying up loose ends. Who's your best man?
Yuri, ex-Spetsnaz. Only man I know who hates Makarov more than you.
Get him. They'll use the ridgeline for cover and fly in from the south.
How do you know?
It's what I do.
Huh. Okay. Task Force 141, Yuri. So, jetzt spielen wir also wieder raus, so wie es aussieht. Und tönt.
Yuri, over here. We need to get soap to the chopper. What is that?
Shit. Oh, das war top, ey.
Whatever this man says. Yuri, take position on the balcony. We need to buy the doctor some time. Keep your eyes on the courtyard. They've breached the courtyard. Take them down. We need to hold them off until we can move soap.
Die Uhren AK 47 ist einfach so eine hässliche Uhrenknarre, hey. Die ist so hässlich. Wie die ausschlägt. Rückstoß, ey, wie... Ich weiss es auch nicht, ey. Das ist Katastrophe. Ja, so... Raketenwerfer wäre geil, oder etwas? Aha. Los!